Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to clear browsing history in the last 7 days in Chrome on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to remove your browsing history for the specified time range. Let's get started. Step 1. On your computer, open Chrome. Step 2. At the top right, click on the 3 dots icon to open the menu. Step 3. Select Settings. Step 4. Click on Privacy and Security. Step 5. Look for the option Clear Browsing Data and click on it. Step 6. In the Time Range box, click on the drop-down menu and select Last 7 days. Step 7. Click on the box next to Browsing History to turn it blue. Step 8. Finally, click on Clear Data at the bottom to remove your browsing history for the last 7 days. By following these simple steps, you can easily clear your browsing history in Chrome for the specified time range on your PC.